Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 14th of July. Another day of summer soakers in scattered pockets across the state. In fact, it's pouring rain here above the station in River Chase as we do this update. Go to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Mount Cheaha. Rain falling there. Alabama's highest mountain, just south of Anniston, looking right down the spine of the Talladega Mountains. Rain falling down in Pike County in South Alabama on the campus of Troy University there. But way down south, weather looks good on the Alabama Gulf Coast. Looks like a sunny afternoon. A big crowd enjoying the surf and the sand. That view coming from the Phoenix All Suites. Same story today. We've got ridging, but the ridging is sufficiently weak enough for scattered to numerous showers and storms across the state. In fact, we'll peek at the radar at 3:16. Big storms across the southern part of the Birmingham Metro, Jefferson and Shelby counties. Big storms over Talladega and Clay, parts of Tallapoosa and Chambers, and down below Montgomery and in northwest Alabama. All of these are moving very slowly and erratically today. They're drifting to the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And, of course, temperatures, all depends on the rain. We've got 77 at the Shelby County Airport with a big storm there, but away from the storms, Tuscaloosa's creeped up to 94, but they will cool down later as the storms blow through there. 88 for Gadsden, 90 at Anniston. And Haleyville with a storm in progress, they've got 76. So again, those numbers just not bad for July in Alabama. Around the nation, same old song and dance. The hottest weather to the west, Texas and Oklahoma. Triple-digit heat again today out there. But look out next week. It looks like that old heat will try and creep in here from the west. Check the watch warning map. Not too much happening around the nation today. There is a severe thunderstorm watch in Montana, Billings, and Lewiston, and Jordan and Glasgow and places like that. That's in 9 o'clock Mountain Time tonight. And obviously this is not spring or fall. This is summer, and this is where they can have organized severe weather. Slight risk of severe storms way up north for today and tonight. And pretty much the same thing tomorrow. All right, there's the QPF chart. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. And again, some big numbers showing up on this chart. Looks like over 5 inches just southwest of Mobile Bay. Also around here, just, my weather radio went off in the background. And I paused here just to check and see what that was. That was an aerial flood advisory for parts of the Birmingham Metro. But again, around to Alabama, the amounts taper off from 1 inch near the Tennessee border down to some bigger numbers in the Gulf Coast. And again, if you get all the rain we see over the next 5 days, those numbers are probably close to being correct. Whatever, we'll take all the afternoon rain we can get this time of the year, as these thunderstorms are very beneficial for us in many ways. We could do without the lightning and the strong winds and all that, but the rain you bet we'll take. Tropical weather. Wave in the southwest Caribbean, not expected to develop. Another wave about halfway between the Lesser Antilles and the coast of Africa, and a new wave coming off the African coast. You look at that, it's beginning to almost look like the wave train's wanting to crank up here. So just maybe things will be picking up out there in coming days and weeks. We know it will, just a matter of time. Check the GFS. This is the 12Z run. Valid tomorrow, and you can see the 594 ring northwest of here, and down below that, same deal like today, scattered to numerous showers and storms. And temperatures will probably get up to near 90 in most spots, but there's a chance that we might see a few locations with highs only in the upper 80s tomorrow, where the storms develop early in the day. In fact, the NAM is showing a high of only 85 tomorrow. Saturday, starting off the weekend, both the GFS and the NAM are showing mid to upper 80s, and we'll go that way in the forecast. Nice to see a high under 90 in the middle of summer. And Sunday, looks like the showers begin to thin out a bit, but there'll still be some out there. But clearly, the better coverage of the storms will come tomorrow and then again on Saturday. Sunday, high around 90, scattered showers and storms. And Monday, yeah, you can see that big old 594 upper high beginning to expand and flex its muscle. And that means increasing heat, decreasing rain chances. There's the surface chart. Monday looks pretty dry, probably low to mid-90s. And Tuesday, the same thing. Now, there's a chance of a storm every day here, but they should be much more scattered. And now, if we had dry soil and brown grass. We could do triple digits easily next week. But all this rain we're getting, that'll keep us in the mid-90s. There's Wednesday and Thursday, the 594 ring right on top of us. That's pretty nasty heat. And again, without soil moisture, we might be talking 100, 101. But with where we stand right now, I think we're talking mid-90s, maybe upper 90s in spots. Hot, steamy storms widely spaced. Into the forecast, July 30th, the 594 ridge moves a little westward. Westerly still up north. Winds aloft are light, and again, nothing unusual there. Hot, muggy, maybe a shower or storm in spots. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.